Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subs. Welcome back to 4K Sheller Energy, and in this update we have Foota hype a burn out Nigy boy manager Mr. Love. Yeah man, Foota hype a bunny more brawling. Plus we also have an upcoming dancehall artist that goes by the name of Vidigal. We're going to touch upon them topic there, so watch on man, leave a like on this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day from this channel. Let me big up on yourself and make we jump right into the review.
Yo, thicker than Vidigal, the lyrical one. Man, a juggler, you know.
So as you can see, we are kick this review off with the one and only Vidigal. Viewers and subs, store or save the name the in on head so you can remember this artist. And just follow up the entertainer's movement. You see me? Yeah man. Plus the entertainer also released his latest single Kingpin. Viewers and subs, me really want to go check it out and leave a like over there. You see me? Yeah man, you can make him know say a 4K send over there, so just go over there and make the music, and you can come back to this if you feel free to, and make me know and think about it. You see me? Like I said, the youth are him talented, and to be honest, me just discover him like a couple days back. But you know, from now on, you know, so me go follow up the movement like what me I tell you if you go do. But still, like I said, just go show him support, follow up his movement, listen to his music, and you know, can make me know think about it. You see me? The youth him tough, him bad, and me rate him style. You see me? Yeah man, he's a good youth in a real life, no joke. Vidigal, just go and do it, nothing beats hard work, and just continue to push. You see me? Yeah man, one day, like I always say about these other artists, one day they will get the break, and just like you will get the break, bro. Just continue to push, and nothing can stop it but God himself. You see me? And me know God not gonna stop it. So continue to put in the work, bro. Big up yourself. Me know y'all listen to this. Yeah man, just continue to do y'all do. You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself, bro. Viewers and subs, like I said, I'm gonna go over to Vidigal's page and meds his latest single, Kingpin. I know you won't be disappointed. No.
My line up on the X1 drip bad mind people get a mental with better deals, don't tell them.
So viewers, Foota hype a burn out Nigy boy manager and attack a bag of things. Yeah man, Nigy boy manager goes by the name of Mr. Love. Most of them may know him, most of them may not. Well, at the first I'm hearing about Mr. Love, and basically Foota hype I say a bag of things, like I said him a burn him out, and I say him a fish. And how can a big fish manage a blind man? Foota hype attack a bag of things. Viewers and subs, stick around and hear what Foota hype have to say. But if you reach this far, leave a like.
Except man, loose cannon, me never dead set. When me aim for fire, me target in excess. Yes, me do it.
Nigy boy, you change a manager there. And even for your safety, him not manage. You're mad? Or if you put you in control of somebody who cannot be trusted, you're mad? Sprat and manage a blind youth? Or if you have a sprat and manage a blind youth, it can't work. That can't work, you know. That cannot work. If I saw be the case, me sure me not play a song, and me sure me not post nothing for you. Not because me I fight you, but me I fight against the manager. Yeah, me, make them say me bad mind. Make them say me bad mind. This a reason for bad mind. Me not want the manager make $1 off a dancehall. You're mad. You're crazy. Oh, him reach this so. Fit say him a manage. Where him know about management? Which party him ever manage nobody? When you want to manage a blind youth? So when you take disadvantage of the youth, we don't know. And the youth don't know. You must be mad. You're mad. Mad. No, can't work. Cannot work. Cannot work. Yo, me lose it. From me find out, me lose it. You're mad? That have to fix. That have to change. Nigy boy, that have to change. You all, if you're blind, you must can see. Say that the smarty they are fish. You're mad? All if you're blind, you must can see. Say that smarty they are fish. Them cannot manage you. Manage what? Or if you manage blind somebody, if nobody we can see now and that the smarty manage them, Oh, you have to manage blind somebody if you take disadvantage of. You're mad. You're crazy, man. You're mad. Oh, you are gonna have a blind youth be managed by a sprat. You're mad. That can't work. You're mad, man. You're crazy youth. You're mad. That have to fix. That have to fix. You're mad. All if him sign it can tear up, him never know say the person is a sprat. So that can tear up, contract can tear up, and that's why you never know. You never know. You're mad? Look how the world has show the youth I love now. And we are pushing song and our selector start play the song now and everything. Only to find out say, yeah, use the youth as scapegoat. Because you can't make it in the business because you are do the boy and you want to come hide behind a little blind youth you know. If you come make money off of the business, if you come hype and straight people, you must be mad. You must be crazy, man. You must be mad. That can't work. It can't work. It cannot work. And furthermore, Nigy boy, how you fall into that? Who introduce you to him? Who make you feel safe around that smarty there? You're mad? You're crazy? Are you out of your mind? People from a find out me lose it. But me and a batty man, not change with my story. So stop bring up that K if you're not a sense and you're going to say fuck me, I block you too. Because I don't want a foolishness talk over here. Me not depend that. Me not depend that. From me find out say, is a sprat a manager. We can't take dancehall money give sprat, you know. And make sprat God have money now and get rich for use against straight people, you know. Me not depend that. Me not depend that. Me fully endorse Nigy boy song, you know. Me know him from him little, you know. Salvation Army out of Gallenville Road in Par, you know. But me not trust this not safe. You can't even see if you save yourself. You can't even see if the boy a drop a pill in your drink. You're mad. You're crazy. You can't even see if this boy a drugs you. Yeah? You can't trust that there's somebody if you look for food, if you make your drink, if you travel with you and pack your suitcase and them thing there. You're mad. You're mad. You can't see it from him. Next thing him say, I carry you go perform. When you check it out, have big saltwater party you gone. You must be crazy. You're mad. Are you crazy? I not call them idiot the name for my life. You must can read the comment section and see million people type it. Oh, you have to trust the little blind youth around them boy there. And them boy they are known sprat all over America, all over Jamaica. You're mad. Nigy boy, your management have to change. We rate you and we want to work with your youth. You're mad. Me not deal with that. Me not deal with that, dog. You're mad. You're mad. You have your people out there can trust. People who live straight, normal, natural life. I want to know, man. You're mad. Change up that fast. That my head hurt me stress out. You're mad. You can that would have come like two people say them gay and one other picnic. How that hurt?
So viewers and subs, what do you think about that? Foota hype a bun out Nigy boy manager, Mr. Love. And to be honest, I don't know if Mr. Love is an actual fish because at the first me I hear about him, So we can only use the word alleged. But otherwise from that, Foota hype seem like say him know him 100% and know say he is a fish. You see me? But viewers, only can please do let me know anything about that. And if you reaches for like up the review, share it up, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself and like always, catch you in another one.